details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. Here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.0, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 4. Category 5. Category 7. Room category 9. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is fine. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Several days and offers are available online for this hotel along with for booking or more details, please read description box. If you are facing any kind of problem in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. If you have one, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new topic. Be safe, be happy.